8 Apple cider vinegar home remedies.
1. To decrease blood sugar. Apple cider vinegar is alleged to assist people with diabetes control their blood sugar levels. 2. To assist you feel full. Apple cider vinegar is endorsed as a weight reduction aid. 3. As a deodorizer. Apple cider vinegar is thought to have antibacterial residences. Because of this, it's regularly claimed that apple cider vinegar can cast off bad smells. 4. To make an all-purpose cleaner. Apple cider vinegar is mostly a famous preference for a herbal opportunity to industrial cleansing agents. This is due to its antibacterial residences. 5. To soothe a sore throat. Gargling with apple cider vinegar is a popular home cure for sore throats. It is said that this is because its antibacterial residences ought to assist kill off the microorganism that would be inflicting the sore throat. Be sure to blend the vinegar with water before gargling. 6. As a facial toner. Apple cider vinegar is alleged to assist treatment pores and skin conditions and provide gracefully getting older. 7. To catch fruit flies. Fruit flies may be pests, and it's truly smooth to apply apple cider vinegar to make a reasonably priced fruit fly lure. 8.
To wash vegetables and fruit.
Pesticide residue on end result and veggies may be a challenge for lots of people. That's why some people like to clean their fruit and vegetable in apple cider vinegar. People think that it'll do away with extra of the chemical residues than water alone. Although it's now no longer completely clear whether or not it's going to do away with extra pesticides than genuinely washing with water, it is able to assist kill any risky microorganism on food. More information about apple cider vinegar inside the description.
Or watch this next video.